Today presentation outline is first of all I will describe a little bit introduction, then review of the literature, then challenges, then contributions, and then expected outcomes. First of all, what is the role of ICT in the livestock management? Nowadays everything is converted into the digital era. We can say this is the era of the AI era, artificial intelligence or computer science era. So we all are using the mobile phones, mobile gadgets, digital, like that smartwatches, like that iPads, iPods, everything, SMS services, mobile. So everyone is converting into the era of the digitalization. So in the same era, we also need to modernizing the livestock management, enhancing the access to the information, and also reduces the avoidable livestock losses. If I will start the automation and sensor integration represent a powerful approach to transforming traditional livestock farming into a data-driven, efficient, and resilient system. As you can see in the diagram that in the smart livestock management system, it is the automated temperature control, it is the automated feed and movement of the any animal, how to detect the diseases, how to detect the stress, heat cycle. All these things are the parts of the automation sensor. What is the impact of this? You can say the smart livestock management system in the society is that the livestock is the subsector of the agriculture, source of the food, source of the foreign exchange, share in the GDP, employment, etc. So, especially in the country like the Pakistan, if we will go in the livestock and we will manage the livestock on the basis of the computer science, we can earn a lot of money. If you see the Pakistan livestock production in buffaloes in 2019, 2021, 2021, and then 2023, what is the ratio of the cows, buffaloes, all are shown in the diagram. Now, what are the challenges we have to face? First of all, in the era of the livestock, first problem that the farmers are facing is the poor health management. After poor health management, other thing that the farmers are facing is the unscientific nutrition or etc, poor breeding decisions, and the most important three challenges that we will face here: the delayed disease diagnosis, lack of expert veterinary accesses, low technology adaptation. So on these three challenges we will work, and this is the slide of the literature in which multiple researchers done a lot of work in this field, but we have summarized some of them. So this is the comparison between the traditional and the current advisory system. Traditional advisory system is the accessibility problem, response time, personalization, and then the language support, follow-up logs. Traditional advisory system, limited field visits, office hours, where in the AI-based advisory system, 24/7 via mobile, chatbots, usable in the remote access, instant via LLM, etc. All this is all the difference between and comparison between the traditional and the current advisory system. Now, I will come to the main point. What is the problem statement? On which problem we will work, or the what we are going to do in this research is that livestock productivity suffers due to the poor decision making and lack of timely veterinary advice. Manual advisory systems are inefficient and fail to meet the needs of the rural farmers. Livestock related data is largely unstructured and underutilized. Currently, no domain specific large language model exists for the veterinary sport, highlighting the need of an intelligent real time advisory framework specifically required for livestock management. This is the methodology that is the overall. First of all, we have to collect the data, then we will the manual annotation of that data, then integration of the retrieval of the mechanism, and then we will develop a chatbot, and at then we will evaluate that chatbot. This is the workflow of my throughout presentation. First of all, we will extract text from the queries, and then after that queries, we will complete the embedding. After embedding, we will complete a database, and on that database, there will be a prompt will be generated, and that prompt will be work against any LLM, and then LLM will respond. This is the overall workflow of this. What is the expected outcomes? Development of the first annotated veterinary data set in the region specific. Otherwise, is the development of the vet assistant, digital veterinary advices, and a lightweight bilingual mobile application integration. These are all the outcomes of this research, or you can say, and we will evaluate all that you can say the LLM models via the statistical matrices that are the F1 score, recall accuracy, exact match, and the response time. So this is all about my presentation. Thank you. Thank you very much. So nice of you.